Ladies and gentlemen, we got something a little, not really different, but kinda different at the same time of being the same. We're gonna be retexturing a diamond sword from Minecraft. Hey guys, welcome on back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back in Libresprite, Aseprite, once again. And I'm excited because I love Minecraft. I've loved Minecraft for literally more than half my life. So we're gonna go ahead and do some Minecraft stuff, which is pretty cool. So we have a diamond sword texture here, which is 16 by 16. I'm gonna go up to sprite and change the canvas size. Sorry, not the canvas size, the sprite size. And we're gonna change this. We'll do 32 by 32. Nothing too crazy. We have to change the interpolation method from nearest neighbor to bilinear, I believe. Yeah, alright, so now you can see it's totally screwed up all of the, pixels and all the good stuff that we had, but it's fine because I only wanted to preserve the colors. But the great thing about Aseprite is that it keeps the colors over here, so even if you don't do that, don't worry about it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit delete, get rid of all of that, and what I want to do is I want to use the same colors. You know what, never mind, I don't want to use the same colors. I don't like the colors, so we're going to just get rid of those. I don't like a lot of the colors in Minecraft. I'm gonna be straightforward with you guys. We're gonna go ahead and choose our own color. So I'm gonna grab, first off, I'm gonna grab a nice diamondy color. I want to make this more blue because diamonds in Minecraft, they do be kind of weird colored. So what is this remap? Get rid of that. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a nice bluish color. It's like in Minecraft they're just like too sea foamy, I guess is how you would describe it. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, we'll do that. And why is this black right now? Why what's going on here? Huh? Explain yourself. Explain. Okay, you know what? Fine. Be weird. I'll just do it. I'll do it the old-fashioned way. There we go. All right. I don't know what the heck was going on, but we're gonna pretend that didn't happen. All right. Sweet. I'm gonna choose a nice blue color after I've just created a new image. I'm gonna create a nice blue color. So wait, hold on a second now. Okay, why was this all the way on alpha 0? I'm so confused. Okay, so that was messed up because my alpha was on 0 down here. Why? Okay, anyway, we're gonna pretend like that didn't happen. I don't know what that was about. We're once again gonna choose a nice blue color. And I'm just gonna kind of draw a line going down like this. I'm gonna switch to a black color now because I just want to get that one blue in there. I like to start with black because it usually helps me understand what I want to do. And I'm holding down Shift and Control right now to snap to edges. I'm just gonna do something like this and kind of go across and create a kind of a base. So this is gonna be like. Actually, that's too thick, so let me just undo that real quick. I'm gonna do maybe like this. Yeah, that's better. All right, so I'm gonna do it like that. This is gonna be the base that we're gonna be using for the sword. Now I want to pick a pixel here. I'll do like this pixel right here, and we'll just kind of cut across until we get to the end of the gray sections here, and then I'll just go like this, maybe just something, I don't know, and then we'll just connect it back around like that. Pretty cool stuff. This is like I said, once again, just a base, and then I'm gonna go off of this guy. I'm gonna pull this guy up now next to make the actual sword part bigger. Then I'm just gonna erase these pieces we don't need with the eraser tool. Holding down Shift and Control, like I mentioned. Do something like that. Yeah, that's fine for now. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger because it looks kind of weird right now. So, you know what? No, I want to do something different. I'm constantly making textures for Minecraft, by the way. I just, I never talk about that. So yeah, I do this quite frequently. But we're just gonna start with a base like this for now. And I don't want to spend too much time because we have a lot of stuff to do. So I'm gonna hit G to bucket fill this. I believe the bucket fill default is not G, but I changed mine to that. So bucket fill right there. Just click right inside of there. It's no big deal. Now I think I do want to stick with a wood kind of motif for this. So we're gonna kind of put some wood right here. Boom. That's gonna be wood. Nice little base color wood. It's kind of desaturated, but that's good. That's fine. That's better. All right, cool. Now for the handle, I want to go with a darkish blue tint like that. And I'll show you why later on. I come up with this new handle idea, and it's just super cool. All right. Next up, I want to start on the texturing for the sword, so I'm going to eyedrop the sword color, and we're just going to drop it down and a little bit more to the blue for some shade, and we're going to just shade in this center bit like this. And I think that's... yeah, I think we're going to just leave it like that for now. And, oh, you know what? I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I don't like doing that. That's just me not liking it. Alright, so I'm gonna eyedrop this, make it brighter, and then we're gonna split it in half. So I'm gonna go down like this and like that, and then the center of this is gonna be coming up like that. Alright, cool. And then this is gonna be in shadow. So all of this, that's gonna be shaded lighter, right? And then I'm going to grab a darker color, that darker color almost that we had already, and then we're gonna go up like that. G, bucket fill all of that, and then I'm going to take the lighter color, the default color, the base color, and then we're going to put that on the center like that. So now we have this really nice edge, so it looks like it's kind of, sharp right there, which is what I want. So looks pretty good. I like that. Now I do want to grab maybe that lighter color and do something like that, and then maybe I'll shade the other side oppositely. I don't know. Maybe we'll just go all the way up with it. Screw it. We'll just go all the way up with it. It's fine. We'll just do that. Yeah. And then that piece as well. Or maybe not. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll just go all the way up. Who cares? It doesn't matter. Alright, sweet. I like the way it looks a lot. It looks really cool to me. So what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the wood now. I don't want to do too much of this because there's not a lot of space to work around. I said this before, I'll say it again every single time. Pixel art, the best thing you can do is try to get as much detail as possible and as little lines as possible. So I think I want to just go across. We'll just do that. Just something super simple. And then maybe on the top half, we'll do like a lighter brown. Look at it from far away because that's how the viewer's going to see it. I'm just going to replace these here. Yep. I think that's fine. I think that's totally fine. Alright, now, my favorite part, which is this handle here. So this is a really cool thing I come up with. I'm going to drop the color down, and then we're going to go every two spaces. We're going to just go straight down with the darker color. I'm going to eyedrop the base color, the lighter color, then drag that up even more, and then we're going to highlight this by doing like that. So, really cool. Actually, this is a little bit smaller than I did before, so it's not coming out the same way. So I'm gonna do like this instead because we don't have enough pixels, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna go up by one and put it up here on the top half, and maybe the bottom as well. Might as well just go all the way with it. Forget it. Okay, cool. I like it, and now I'm going to reinforce this shading a little bit by grabbing the darker color, dropping it down even more, and then doing like this on all of those, and then I'm going to take this base color, the gray color that we started with. I'm going to drop the opacity in half, and then we're going to shade over top of that lighter color. Just pop one on those. Super cool. I typically don't like shading in pixel art because it starts looking weird, and I really don't now, so I'm going to undo that. I don't like it. I just don't. I don't like when things look too smooth, so I'm going to... I just can't. It bugs me, so I'm going to do... That's better. It looks more chunky that way. Alright, yeah, cool. I think it looks good. I think it looks good the way that it is. Now, Minecraft does have overlaid line art, and it's not completely black, even though I typically like it black sometimes. You know, we don't know. You know, sometimes it looks cooler that way. I don't know. But for this, I don't think I'm going to like it, so I'm going to do a darker color for the blue here. Maybe even darker than that. It's not dark enough. Just so it's not solid black, but I don't want it to look like it's like overlaid weirdness. Then I'm going to grab the darkest brown color we have, drop that down and desaturate it because we don't want super saturated stuff. Looks terrible. And then we're going to just fill all that in. I hope you, ladies and gentlemen, enjoyed today's episode. I will see you in the next one, but until then, bye-bye.